Welcome back to the Tool Crib. You know, whenever you're working out in the field and you don't necessarily have all the tools you need for doing a bunch of layout, flat washers can become your very best friend. Not only can you lay out a circle to the radius of whatever the size of the flat washer, but you can also use them for a variety of other things as well. Here's a quick example. I need to lay out a circle that is 3 inches in diameter. Now the can I've got measures about 2 9/16. Well, I can set this on there and then pick out the proper washer. We can set our pencil along the edge, just hold the can in place, and then we can just trace all the way around it using the inside edge of that washer. And let's see how close we get when we get done. So kind of slipped off there, but we should have a pretty good circle. And then we measure it out, and we are almost exactly on the money, 3 inches. Washers are also great for making rounded corners on plate that you're going to fabricate. So I'll just pick out a larger washer here, set it up on the corner of the plate, and then I can radius off a couple sides of this. And so when I go to cut it, it'll have some nice smooth radius edges. Sometimes you have to find inventive ways in order to do particular types of layout, and in those cases, flat washers can be your absolute best friend. My name is Ben. You've been watching the Texas Tool Crib. I appreciate you watching. I'll see you in the next one.